Phthalates. Phthalates are colorless, odorless liquids produced by reacting phthalate anhydride with an appropriate alcohol, usually 6 to 13 carbon. They have a low water solubility, high fat solubility, and low volatility, and are fluid in wide temperature intervals such as minus 50 degrees Celsius and 340 degrees Celsius. The properties of phthalates are modified with the side chains. The polar carboxyl group contributes little to the physical properties of phthalates except when R&R groups are very small, such as ethyl or methyl groups. Phthalates are mainly used as plasticizers, substances added to plastics to increase their flexibility, transparency, durability, and longevity, and are found in many products, including home furnishings such as flooring, wallpaper, shower curtains and cables, medical devices such as catheters, IV and blood bags, and coatings of pills and nutritional supplements, children's items such as infant feeding bottles, squeeze toys and changing mats, personal care items such as nail polish, hairspray, perfumes, soaps, lotions, and shampoos, and many others such as insecticides, detergents, modeling clay, paint, printing inks, fishing lures, and food packaging. There are many health effects associated with exposure of phthalates, one being thyroid hormone disruption. Thyroid hormones play an important role in the metabolic functions of many systems of the body. It participates in these processes by producing a thyroid hormone, the principal ones being T3 and T4. Higher exposure of phthalates, especially DEHP, was found to be associated with lower levels of thyroid hormones in the blood. Phthalates interfere with the binding of T3 to transport proteins, interacting with the active T3 uptake in the plasma membrane, or exerting antagonistic activity at the thyroid receptors. This decreases the thyroid hormones, leading to the following, which include fatigue, modest weight gain, increased cholesterol levels, and swelling of the legs. Another health effect is androgen hormone disruption. Phthalates are considered to be endocrine disruptors because of their complex effects on several hormonal systems, including androgen hormone systems. Some phthalates bind weakly to the androgen receptor, disrupting the cellular actions ordinarily initiated by androgens. Those that bind most strongly are DBP and BBP, and therefore exert the greatest effects through this pathway. Phthalates have been shown to disrupt the development and functioning of male reproductive systems by interfering with the production of testosterone. Possible outcomes include nipple retention, shortened anogenital distance, undescended testes, sperm damage, fertility impairment, and male reproductive malformation. Another health effect is diabetes. Phthalates bind with the receptors of PPAR hormones, both alpha and gamma, which play a critical role as lipid sensors and regulators of lipid metabolism. Recent studies have suggested that the binding of phthalates to PPAR hormones disrupt adipogenesis, blood glucose levels, insulin resistance, and fat formation. Deregulation of glucose metabolism and adipogenesis through increased insulin resistance is a hallmark for type 2 diabetes. Here are 3 steps to avoiding phthalates. Step 1. Read the ingredients. You can identify phthalates in some products by their chemical names or abbreviations such as DBP, DEP, DEHP, and DMP. Step 2. Be aware of the term fragrance, which is used to indicate a combination of compounds, possibly including phthalates. And step 3. Choose plastics with the recycling codes 1, 2, or 5. Avoid recycling codes 3 and 7 as they're more likely to contain phthalates. Alternate brands. Burt's Bees, Ecobello Organics, Aubrey Organics, Tom's of Maine, and Honeybee Gardens are all 100% phthalate-free brands.